Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and now I'm going to try to attempt to, I'm getting this ruler closer so I can remember the numbers. So I've already typed in 285, which is this hash bar. There was no 290 at this part, but 285. I've already double-clicked it and put it to the center. I'm going to make 27 copies at that same angle of rotation that we had in the first video. And then all you have to do is make these and somebody smarter than me could probably figure out how to change these numbers without going through here and just changing that 8 to a 7. And then change this one from a 8 to a 6. Well, I didn't hit OK, I guess. So it's a little time consuming. So there you got that mark. Same thing on this one. You know, this will be, well, make a copy of it. And then put it on your other line and go ahead and make it, take your text editor and make it 80. You got to hit OK. Then we'll do the same thing we did on the other one. It's nice because you've already got the rotation and we're not in the center, but it actually tried to go to the center because I'd used it before. And do the same angle of rotation. And what I meant to say in this video earlier, the number is actually 0.1833207. But Corel doesn't show it, but it actually does because you can see how accurate it is. And then you just need to go and make this one 70. It's going to take some time. I'm not going to fool you and say it's not. But that's the way I would do it. And I hope the project works out well for you. And like I said in the first video, the arch is really close. And for measurement, you know, I think it's close enough, you know, and I had to use a circle. I had to use a circle so you get it divided by 360. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.